Today I will be showing you how to make a simple contact form with PHP. So I will start by creating a HTML document. So just wait. So I will title this page to contact form. I'm gonna save it to the htdocs folder if you have XAMPP, but if you use like WAMPP, you have another folder. I think it's called www. But I'm going to save it to the htdocs folder to a new folder called contact form with camel casing. You see, when you don't use space but a capital letter. So save it as index.php, and now you get the encoding good. I don't know what it's called, but yeah. So the first thing you want to do is to create a form, and then action. Action is what will happen when you click the submit button, and in this case I want us to stay on the same page when we have clicked the submit button. And then the method will be post, because post is faster than get and they work almost in the same way. So first thing will be name. So input, I will not style this or making this any special or anything, but input type will be text, name will be name, break tag, and then email. Email, we will have a input type of email. This will if you don't input a valid email into this box, the code you cannot continue, so you will get a error message from that box. But this is not a proper or like valid way to do this, because the type email is not standardized yet. So this is something you shouldn't only have. You should also have a more complex validation. So the next thing will be text area, and this will have 20 columns, and rows will be 10. It will have a name of a message, and then we're going to close that off. A break tag, and then input type submit. This will be a submit button, a name of submit, btn, and the value what is going to be set on the button. This I want to write send. So if we look this up, we can see that it looks like a normal contact form without any styling. We can actually just like do this like that and change this to 25 so it gets aligned better, because I think it's look better when it's wider than the name input and the email input. But that is something you can choose yourself. So under the form tag we will put our starting and ending PHP tag. And the first thing we want to do is to check if the button has been pressed, the submit button. Then when you will want to when you wanna get access to this name, you use $_post, capital post, and then the square brackets ending in closing, and then between some single quotation marks or double quotation marks, you want to write what name you want to get access to. So in this time, submit button. I see I got to spell wrong. Submit button. So you can just copy this and paste it here. So if it is pressed, we will echo out hello, just to test everything is alright to this point. So oh, I'm sorry. So now if you click send, it will output hello, so it works. Undefined index on line 15. Oh, sorry. If is set. So if it is set, we will echo this out. Else we don't need any else statement. So yeah. Then we wanna write out our variables. So name will be equal to post underscore or $_post, and then name. You can just like copy this because we are going to make 3 of this. Email. So in this tutorial I won't be covering the validation stuff either, so that is something you need to check out yourself, or if I upload a video sometime. So yeah, then we want to check if all fields are set. So just check that no fields are empty. So if and then else, so write out that. So if empty, so if that is empty, this variable name, or so you wanna check them all, and then you just can message and we wanna echo out like all fields are required. So if we check this out, we can see that if we press send, we get all fields are required. If the fields are not empty, we will do whatever happens in this else block. So here we want to make the variables for our mail function. So we can I can just show you what the mail function expects in its parameters. And then like, so this is how the function looks like, and in it the first variable or string will be to what person we want to send this to. So we can start by making these variables. So to is going to be to someone's email, like Charles at gmail.com or something like that. And then the second will be subject, so the subject of the mail. So subject can be equal to like new message from your contact form, and then the actual message, and that will be the message. So we already have that. Then we can also make, but I'm going to change this message so it looks a little bit different. So the message will look like this. So like we're gonna from, and then don't forget your quotation marks, from, then concatenate the name, then we're gonna like this, email, and then the email, and then concatenate a paragraph tag, and between the paragraph tag we want to have our message. So message, and then you can also have headers, like here you can also have like from or something like that, but I'm going to skip this because that is something I really like don't need to have. Yeah, I think you got it. So to send the email, you simply use this function. You can also have a @ symbol in front. Whoa, sorry, I don't know what I did there. You can also have a @ symbol at the front, but yeah. So this is how you mail something. So this mail will look like this. Will go to charles@gmail.com. The subject will be new message from your contact form. The message will look like from, and then Charles. Email equals to like charles@gmail.com, and then inside paragraph tags, the line under the message gonna be. So you have to have your document on a hosted server, I think, because every time I'm going to test this on my local host, it doesn't work. I actually don't know why, but that is just what it is. So you can also write a successful message. So echo out like your message has been sent. We will get in touch with you as ASAP, so as soon as possible. So now if we try this out, if there every like input field is empty, then all fields are required is going to be displayed. So now if we like put in our names, so this is just something I can have, and then hello Charles, then send. Your message has been sent. We will get in touch with you ASAP. So this is how you create a simple contact form with PHP and HTML. As I said before, I didn't use any validation to check whether the email is a real one, so I can show you what I mean with the type of email of this input. So if I just do something like that and then click send, we will get this. Please include an @ symbol in the email address is missing out. You see, so that is bad validation. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Excuse me for my English, but I think I hope I will get better, and please give me feedback in the comments and so on. Thank you guys for watching.